Good morning, students. Today in geography we will study chapter 8, case studies. Case studies, chapter 8. In this chapter, two main topics are there: lumberjacks of Canada in North America and life in the Amazon basin in South America. My dear children, earlier chapters you have studied about the North America and about the South America. And in this chapter also, especially we are going to study about the Canada and about the Amazon basin. Okay, students. Now let us start studying from the lumberjacks of Canada. Okay, lumberjacks of Canada. First of all, we have to understand the lumbering. Lumbering is one verb, or you can say one kind of action or work. Lumbering is the cutting down of trees and their transport to the market. That is done in taiga area. That is done in taiga area. Taiga is a name of a forest in North America. Okay, forest name taiga. In taiga area, this lumbering is done. Okay, and it is lumbering in Canada is done by highly skilled forest workers called lumberjacks. Once again, lumbering in Canada is done by highly skilled forest workers called lumberjacks. Next, let us see about the process of lumbering. Okay, process of lumbering. First of all, here it is high riggers. What is high riggers? High riggers have the risky job of felling trees. That means you are understanding felling trees is the one for high riggers. पेड़ गिराना उनका काम है. And after that, next is sawyers or buckers. That is also one kind of processing or one kind of work. In sawyers or buckers, what they do? They cut in small pieces the trees, branches, remove with power driver saws. The trunk is then bucked or cut into required lengths. After that, skiders use tractors. They use the tractors near to the river. They take the logs or the trees near to the river. That is called the skiders. They are called the skiders. Next, after that, haulers. That is river drivers. They pushes into river. And after that, let us see about how this is this is done more effectively. That means in Canada area, people cut the trees and they take for their uses or according to their needs. But they also think about the future generation, planting saplings where trees have been cut, having firefighting squads who detect fires early and prevent them from spreading, and spraying large areas of forest with pesticides to fight pests like the spruce and budworm. Then after that, let us see about the some geographical factors. What are the geographical factors in North America or in this Canada area? Climate is not suitable for agriculture. That is why they do this kind of work. Next is natural vegetation. The climate encourages the growth of thick stands of coniferous trees. Here, coniferous trees are mostly found. Next is the terrain, that is called in Hindi terrain. The flat nature of terrains makes the felling of trees and their transport much easier. The slope area make the much easier. Next, after that, another part is life in the Amazon basin. Amazon basin, that is, the river Amazon is a very large and big river. The Amazon basin, situated in the northern part of South America, includes the area drained by the Amazon river, its tributaries, and it covers an area of about 7 million square kilometer, and in this area, many countries are. That means Amazon basin is in these areas. Amazon basin river is giving the water, or they are getting the benefit. Bolivia, Peru, Suriname, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. So in these areas, it is the Amazon basin is stretched. Now, vegetation. What kind of vegetation are there? Vegetation means what kind of trees and plants are there. Plants and trees are rubber, giant kapok, Brazil nut, cocoa, banana, coffee, orchids. These are the main vegetation. Then after that, animal life. There are a variety of animals. There are over 400 species of mammals and over 300 species of reptiles and hundreds of species of birds. Next, after that, population. What do you think about the population? Amazon basin is sparsely populated. That means very less populated. Why? Can you think about that? Because their climate is not good. Large cities, only some places large cities are there. In large cities only people are living. These large cities are Iquitos, Manaus and Belém. Then after that, indigenous culture. Indigenous means Swadeshi or native people. Around 400 indigenous tribal groups together known as the Amerindians. वो लोग एक साथ रहते हैं, जो शुरू से रहते हैं. ये शुरू से रहने वाले लोगों को इंडिजिनियस कहते हैं. Then after that, each tribal group like the Yanomana एक ट्राइबल है. उसी तरह का वाजापे and same like that Kayapo. These are the main tribals. And after that, here most children do not go to school. Instead of that, they are told how to survive in the forest and they learn how to use local plants for food and medicine. And about the agriculture, here agriculture is very difficult, and that is why they use the slash and burn. Slash and burn, that means काटो और जलाओ और खेती करो only 1 or 2 years, and after that they change the place. And then after that, let us see about the geographical factors of this area, Amazon basin. Nature of settlements. The geographical factors discourages large permanent human settlements in this region because there are too much rain and too much hot area. And after that, agriculture. Just now we studied about that. The agriculture is not possible easily. That's why the land becomes very unfertile. Soon it becomes unfertile. That's why they do the slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture. Next, after that, proximity to a major river. That means they depend only fishing and transport work. Physical isolation. Isolated from the outside world. That means they are themselves, they isolated from the outside world. The Amazon basin today, in 1972, the construction of the Trans-Amazon Highway opened the previously inaccessible rainforest to outsiders. Now they are connected with the other side of the world. Okay, this much only. Thank you, students.